I'm about to give y'all a POV of getting gas in the end. So I've been gone for about a week and I haven't been driven. So I'm about to give y'all, this is like a cold start after a week. Let's see. Damn, boys, I feel like I've been gone forever. I've been out with the homies, nothing. I was gone for almost a week and a half, bro. So as y'all seen, that cold start was like a week and a half cold start. What are these niggas doing, gang?
They must move in the family of 30.
Yeah, bro. Shit's over. You'll see you at the gas station. So y'all know, y'all tapping with the rewards, man. If y'all don't hold your gas pump down before you pump, y'all not doing it right. I'm not talking to you, kid.
Sorry, dog.
I'ma guess probably, I'm gonna say 55. It's gonna be 55. So 55, 53.
Dumbass, nigga.
I guess you got it right. 45, 50.